All right, so we are back with part 2 of the Kingdom Animalia PowerPoint. So in this video, we're going to talk about the symmetry that is found in animals. Now, there are 3 different types of symmetry that can be found within the animal kingdom. The first is bilateral symmetry, the second is radial symmetry, and the third is asymmetry, which means no symmetry. All right, so asymmetrical. Asymmetrical is an animal that has no defined shape, therefore it cannot be cut in any direction and match the other side. A sponge is a good example of asymmetrical symmetry because no matter which way you cut it, it will not be symmetrical. The second kind of symmetry is radial symmetry. So an animal with radial symmetry has body parts that radiate out from the center. So all of its encounters with the environment are going to be even on all sides. So no matter which way you cut this organism, it is going to be symmetrical. All right, so a starfish, for example, is some radial symmetry. A sea anemone is radial symmetry. Okay, so the sea anemone is on the bottom, the brittle star is on the top. Now, it can be a starfish, a sea star, same thing. All right, and then bilateral symmetry. All right, so bilateral symmetry means that you can cut in only one direction. So humans, you can only cut us down the middle, and we will match on either side. Cows, lobsters, pretty much most animals fall under this category, where they can only be cut in one direction and be symmetrical that way. Okay, so you have a right and a left. Anterior or posterior. Anterior means front, posterior means back. Dorsal also means back. Ventral also means front. So if you're talking about a fish, the dorsal fin is on the top of the fish on its back, and then the ventral fins are on its belly. If you're talking about a person, our dorsal is our back and our ventral is our belly. Also, posterior is your back, anterior would be your stomach. All right, so after we finish this, you're going to answer some quick questions on this video on symmetry. You're also going to complete an exit ticket in a Google form, as well as 2 homework assignments. There's one on Google Drawings where you're going to have to draw lines from the word to the organism, okay? Now, you are going to use a PowerPoint that we are going to upload to answer these questions and figure out what phylum they belong to. All right, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask your biology teacher about any of this information. There will be another PowerPoint that is attached with all of the different phyla that are found in the animal kingdom so that you can answer both of these homework assignments. So this one is going to be in a Google form, and this one is also going to be in a Google form. All right. And there's also going to be a video on the different phyla. You can also use that to help you answer these 2 topics. All right. Have a good day.